Have you been arrested?
Yes.
How many times?
For being sentenced or arrested.
Arrested and sentenced?
I was sentenced for drink and driving assault.
Okay. How many cases have been dropped under your name?
I cannot remember.
Have you been charged and have cases dropped?
Yes.
How many?
And many times.
Many times. And what were those cases about?
Assault, driving, or not driving, reckless driving, fraud. There are many. I cannot. Perhaps if we had the CP 69 printed,
You
we
will
would.
have those.
Yeah.
Is there a murder case that has been dropped on your cases?
Yes, that's correct.
What happened?
It was dropped. The state must.
What happened? Why did they say you murdered somebody?
It happened.
You murdered somebody?
Yes.
Why?
I mean, isn't that personal?
Murder, personal.
Can you ask me for no. To say why?
Maybe Kastwana murder.
No.
Personal.
Okay. If me and somebody had a fight and he died,
Oh,
and you ask me why?
I'm asking what happened.
No, there was a fight.
There
It's
was
not
a
that
fight.
it was an intentional.
Did you shoot that person?
No, it was physical. And he fell on his neck.
Fell. Okay.
Yes.
All right. And then that case was dropped.
That case was finally was dropped.
It was dropped
Yes.
as a self-defense.
No, it was not. If a self-defense, it means I was found not guilty.
Were you found guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Okay, let's go back there. That case was dropped.
If you say self-defense, it means I was found not guilty. The court found out that it was not an intentional killing. But if it was dropped, it means it was withdrawn.
Was sound confused. Are you saying you were charged?
Yes, and the matter was withdrawn.
The matter was withdrawn.
That's correct.
Were you found guilty?
No.
But the case was dropped.
The case was withdrawn.
On what basis?
I don't know. What was the thing?
And which court was this?
It's in Mabatu.
This handler of yours, was he involved in getting that case dropped?
No.
The handler that passed on?
No, there were no witnesses. The other witness could not come to court.
There were no witnesses. Hold that thought. There were no witnesses, Chair.
Please hold on, Shongwe. Yeah, no, it's a follow-up, Chair. Thank you very much. I just want to establish at what point was the case withdrawn? Was it enrolled?
Yes, it was enrolled. It went to court, set for trial, and it was withdrawn. Because of the part of the witness. Well, the thing is, I did not really hear what was the purpose of withdrawal, but I was in court.
So when you say it was withdrawn, you mean it was withdrawn by the prosecution?
By the state, yes.
By the prosecutor?
Yes.
So they didn't communicate the decision to you? I mean, the reason for withdrawal?
It must have been written on the docket. I was there in court and the matter was withdrawn.
At the time when the matter was withdrawn, where were you? Were you in prison or outside?
No, I was in court.
You were out on bail? No.
Yes, in bail.
On bail, you are out on bail.
That's correct.
So you are saying the witnesses did not attend?
No, there was no witness. Well, the day when I was in court, there was no witness. And the second time, from the statement of the witness, because remember, the incident happened between me and this person. It was only me and him. So the state did not actually have the necessary case to prove.
Did you plead?
No, I did not plead.
You did not plead?
Yes.
So how were you going to plead to the case? Because the way you are narrating it, here, you are saying you knew what happened to him. You had a fight and then he passed on.
Yes.
So is that the same evidence you were going to give in court?
Yes, but it was not an intentional. He fell on his leg.
But I'm saying you are not going to deny the merits that he died because you had a physical fight and he did not survive. Yes. Okay. No, thank you.
Okay, Honorable Shongwe.
Just a second, Chair.
Okay. Wait, I'm going to come to you, Honorable Malema.
Oh, thank you, Chair. I just wanted to find out a follow-up on that. When that happened, were you now deregistered or were you still registered as an agent? In fact, which year? Maybe that will make things easy for me to understand. Were you then registered or deregistered at that time?
It was in 2010. Yes, I was an agent at the time.
Yeah, what I'm saying, were you registered?
Yes, I was an agent.
That was before you were deregistered as an agent.
No. See, these are two processes of being registered as an informant and being deregistered.
No, I understand that.
Yeah, but after when you are recruited to be an agent, it happened in 2009, and this incident happened in 2010.
Yeah, but you were deregistered within a year. But anyway, it will come at a later stage. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you.
What are the
Wait, Honorable Malema.
Thanks. Was it a female or male?
So male.
Male.
That's correct.
And then when they charged you, the charge was it culpable homicide or murder?
It was murder, and then it was murder. But my defense was intending to apply for culpable, to convert it to culpable homicide. But before the trial, then the matter was withdrawn.
You had already pleaded?
Yes, I was going to plead not guilty.
No, I'm asking if you had pleaded.
Yes, in a Schedule 6, what happens? Yes, that's correct. In a Schedule 6 of Schedule 5-6, you have to plead, yes, before going to trial. I pleaded not guilty.
Yeah, and when you plead not guilty, they would have said to you, you are charged with the murder of so and so and so, whatever. Do you understand the charges? You say yes. And then you plead not guilty or guilty, then you say not guilty. So they told you it's murder.
That's correct.
Which means there was a prima facie evidence of murder.
I don't know.
No, that's why they charged you with murder.
Okay.
If they didn't have a prima facie case of murder, they would have changed it themselves into culpable homicide.
That's correct.
And then witnesses didn't show up.
There was no witness. It was very far. When I took this person to the clinic, then this person arrived.
Okay.
And he later passed on.
No, thanks.
Honorable Shangwe, proceed.
Thank you, Chair. No, thank you. Babu Mokhotsi, this situation is very sad. If you know you are a father to your children, I believe, and maybe your family is depending on you, am I correct?
That's correct.
If I were to give my time to you, that you take this opportunity and maybe give dignity to your surname, take this